Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog of mine, and I am back to my channel also with another vlog and another topic for the day. So today's vlog is very special for girls, especially because if you are that type of girl who loves shopping and is very excited about sale thing, so this vlog is all about that. And before moving ahead with the vlog, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button on the YouTube, and also hit the notification button so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you are being informed about it. Instagram account also, don't forget to show your love and support there, and my Instagram handle is the Nick Diaries. I will give the link below in the description box for my Instagram account. So let's move ahead with our today's vlog. Let's start. And so this time the haul is from Myntra. I did the shopping from Myntra app, and during Raksha Bandhan sale I brought a lot of clothes for myself, and they are really good clothes which I got it for myself. So let's start it with the first cloth I'm going to show, and the piece is this. This is a lower, a jogger style lower. It's a plain simple blue color lower, you can see, and this is the white strips which they have, you can see this is, and this is from Tokyo Talkies, which I got it. You can see me here when I'm wearing. I will be dropping a picture here so you can check it out how it's looking on me. And this is very pretty and it's very comfortable, and I find it this as at very good reasonable rate. It was around like 370 rupees, which I find it's really good price, because most of the lowers are around like 200 300 and the quality is not that good. This quality is really good. So this was my first purchase and I really loved it. So let's move ahead with the second purchase which I did from Myntra is this, and this is very pretty. I love this lower actually. So this had that two pocket style with proper this thing, and they have written something here, and it's jogger style only. This is like this, and it is also from Tokyo Talkies, and the color is very pretty lilac color and it's light color, and the quality of cloth is also really good from which it is made. It's really one of the best piece I have got it, and it was around like 378 rupees or 390. I'm not sure about, but I find it the worth it, the cloth, this lower, it's really worth it. So you can see the picture here how it is looking on me. So the next item which I got it is this top. You can see this is from Cook and Keech, and the size is L. I know it's really loose for me, but it is like I got it from my home wear, so it is really good piece, and it's like really loose because at home you prefer to have a loose clothes. So this is, and it's in crop top style. So this is the top, and you can check it out here what it's looking like. And this is plain, just a Mickey Mouse being printed on it, and this costed me like 299. I know it's on little on higher side because when it is in sale, and it was like around 499, and it's nothing that big deal, but I really like the top, so I go ahead with it. Before moving ahead with it, do let me know if you are loving my video, because if you hit the like button and subscribe to me, I get to know that you are loving my work, and it motivates me for making more videos. So do hit the like button, and do let me know in the comment section also what you're loving about my video. And the next product from Myntra is this kurti, and this is from the brand Tokyo Talkies only, and the size is the size is L size, and you can see the polka dots here, the polka dot style, and I really love this top, and it has a beautiful this thing 3/4 size sleeves also. You can see me how I'm looking here in the photo after wearing this, and it's really comfortable and really good thing. And if you're looking for a simple designing, this top is for you. And this was the like cheapest bargaining I have done on Myntra, and this was like costing me 210 or 15 rupees after like putting every coupon of sale and everything. So this is the product. So now let's move ahead with the next thing which I brought in, and this is a very pretty color. This is like sea green color, and this is the top, which you can get it paired with your jeans, because I feel this is like pairing with jeans only. I didn't find to pair it with anything else. So you can see here it has like a frill. It is tied from here and then frill style. And the best part about this top is this sleeves. They are very different type of sleeves, and they have like a 3/4 type sleeve, and then it has been like closed with elastic and made a design, so you can see a very different type of sleeve. And this is the thing which is like very pretty with dory, and it makes a very good thing. So you can look here how it is looking on me, and it's a very plain and simple top. And it's the best part about this top is it is in cotton, and the color is very pretty and very simple, and it's basically a Rajasthani style print top, and it's from Neo brand, and this is the L size which I've got it. Most of my products, most of my clothes you will find in either M size or L size. That's the best size for me to wear. So this is the thing, and I got it at like 650 rupees, and I find it little on higher side. I cannot say it's expensive, but during sale time it's on higher side, and also as compared to my other products it's on little on higher side. So this is, but I love it, and I love the price they gave me. So you can see here how did it looked on me. Now let's move ahead with the next cloth which I'm going to show. This is a top. So this is the top which you can see here, and it's basically on the silk cloth. This is, and it's silk. And do let me know in the comment section which color is this of top, because on Myntra it is written blue, but it's not exactly blue, that I know. It's like different color, I don't know exactly. It's like some English color, I know this, but I don't know the color. And this is also from Tokyo Talkies. And if you see here in the picture, you will find this is really loose to me. Actually, when I was placing order, mostly it was like L and M was over, so XL. So I brought it because I was loving it. So it was like, okay, I will try if it's come, let's see. But it was like 220 rupees, so I was like, okay, I don't want it. I wanted to exchange or return it, because exchange option was not there, because size was not available. So I didn't go for exchange, so I didn't thought about returning. So it was like either my mom will wear, or if it's loose, any other person can wear. But it is really good top, a simple shirt type top, and it's sleeveless top, and it's really pretty top, and what you will take at 200 rupees. So this is. So now moving ahead with the last product, which is the best product, and I really liked it, and I would recommend if you can. This is the top from Levi's, and it's a very simple white colored top, and also the most expensive, or you can say the most highest price product this time I brought from Myntra was this top. And this is the sleeves. Do let me know in the comment section what type of sleeves these are called, where it is a full sleeve and they have elastic at the end. Do let me know in the comment section what type of sleeves you call them. I have no idea what they are called. So it's a pure cotton top, and you can see they have a proper designing above here. Plain at bottom it's plain top, just above here they have this designing, white color designing, and you can check it out here how it is looking on me. And do let me know whether you like this top or not, and I recommend this to have. And it costed me around like 850 rupees, and this is from brand Levi's. The size is L, and it is little loose on me, but it's okay. I was like little confused whether if it shrinks then it can create a problem for me, so that's why. So this is the top. And if you are a person who loves wearing like white color, then this top is definitely for you, and you can match it with your jeans or whatever you say. It's really worth it. So this is for Myntra's haul for today, and you can see this much product I got it from Myntra, and really the sale was really good for me. There were very many products which were really priced at good price, but I didn't go for so many. I just got it for like this only, because I was really thinking I will support sustainable living, or whatever you can say. I don't prefer so much wasting of clothes and everything. So it was like this much only, and I ordered them like at 3000, all the stuff which I showed you in the video. So it was good shopping for me, and a good shopping time also for me. So do let me know in the comment section below what thing you love the most about my haul and you prefer that I should also buy that. And if I miss something during this Myntra sale, do let me know in the comment section so that whenever the next sales come, I can also check it out. Also buy that product whichever you love and you wanted me to try that product. So let me show you the last product from this haul. This is not from Myntra or anywhere else. It is personally brought it from Instagram account, and these are the slider, so beautiful slider, and you can see the color of slider and the combination and the work on it. It's so beautiful. And I got it them from Instagram account, one of the Instagram account, that's Jyoti Express. They have really good collection to be there of jutis and as well as for sliders. So if you are looking for some juti or slider, you can go check it out there. This is not a sponsored video from Jyoti Express, it's just that I love their collection, their product, so I'm showing my love and support for them. So if you have a time, do check out their Instagram account or their product. They're of really good quality, so I'm loving them. And the best part of slider are they're really comfortable. You can match it with your mix match or anything. You can just go for, like, if you're going for vacation or anything, or even if you wanted to wear them at home, they're best for that. So this is for today's vlog. Do let me know in the comment section what thing you love the most about vlog, and do suggest me what topic should I pick next for my video. Waiting for your comment. And तो अब इतनी वीडियो देख लिए तो प्लीज़ डू हिट द लाइक बटन ऑल्सो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल ऑल्सो and do I thank you really from bottom of my heart to show your support and love to me, really. So this is for today's vlog. See you in the next vlog, and till the time I come back with the next vlog, so keep yourself healthy and safe, because we know we need this blessing this time. So see you in the next vlog.